Driver. My name's Jason. In today's video, we are going to take you along to the Park Place Luxury and Supercar show that we just had this last weekend in Las Colinas, which is in Texas, Dallas-Fort Worth area. We're going to go and we're going to check out a lot of the nice cars and give you a little bit of a glimpse of what it's like to be a part of this. And to me, it kind of reminds me a little bit of Monterey Car Week, although I've never gotten the opportunity to experience that, but just all of the cars parked on the golf course, and they had a fashion show and all this, really cool food. And I didn't record a lot of that because honestly it was miserably hot. The air conditioner was broken, so we were in there sweating really badly, and I didn't really want to film all that. But the food was fantastic. I actually really liked the fashion show. I didn't think it would be fun, but it was a lot more fun than I expected. And so anyway, hope everybody enjoys today's video. In 2 weeks, we will be going to Lamborghini Festival in Houston. We have a large group driving down together from the DFW area, and so we're looking to hopefully get some good footage of that. So if that is interesting to you, then go ahead and give us a subscribe, and thanks so much for watching. Once again, as you guys have seen, this is my friend Craig, his Murcielago, and man, I love this car. The best sounding V12 out there in my opinion, but this car is in immaculate shape. Such a beautiful, beautiful Murcielago. So as usual, we are back here with Richard's car. I don't think I've had this Huracan. I don't think I've put this in any of the videos. I'm not 100% sure, but I love this thing. He's added the wing to it. It's got the forged carbon on the engine bay cover, which I absolutely love. I love exposed carbon fiber, and I love forged carbon. I used to think the forged carbon looked dirty, but now it looks fantastic now that I've seen it in person. But he's got these Strauss wheels, man, and I will tell you, Strauss is a fantastic company, and I am a part of his team, Team Strange. I need to get a decal for my car, but I love this car. Is absolutely one of the best looking Huracans out there. He always does his cars right. I'm going to show you his wife's McLaren here in a minute, but this thing is decked out, man. I love this car. So this is Daisy, my friend Richard's wife's McLaren 570S, and she has Strauss wheels as well, so they've really hooked them up. I love these. They always match the car, and I've not always been a huge fan of the 570, but they always do so many add-ons with their car, so many mods. It's just so much better. I love this carbon fiber wing, exposed carbon fiber. I don't know if they've done anything with the exhaust yet, but I know they've added a lot of color to it. You see along the bottom on the side skirts, they added the orange. But this car is absolutely beautiful. Look at the view right there with that wing. So much, it adds so much adding the wing to the back of this, because to me, the back always looked a little flat with that giant wing on the back. It really, really adds a lot of value to the appearance of this car. All right, guys, check out this 1993 Ferrari 512 TR. This is a replica, basically, of the Miami Vice Ferrari Testarossa. There is one of four. This one's a one of four, white on white. Obviously gated manual shifter. But look at this thing. Absolutely beautiful. And right next to Crockett and Tubbs' car is Thomas Magnum's car. If anybody ever watched Miami, or if anybody ever watched Magnum PI, this is the Ferrari 308, like the one he drove. There's a new Magnum PI, but the old one from the 80s, I believe.
Jared, is that you?
The 1983 Ferrari 308.
I think so. Moving fast. Yeah.
Love it. There's another McLaren 675 LT. I love the green, one of my favorite colors that McLaren makes. Definitely one of my favorite colors by Lamborghini as well. But look at the roof scoop on this thing. And the green interior on the seats. To me, sometimes McLaren's a little boring inside, but this spec is definitely not boring inside. Still has the older rear end, kind of like the MP4 12C, but such a huge step up. I love this car. So we have an orange Performante
and I don't know the exact Lamborghini color name. I should. Arancio, whatever. We'll call it Arancio Orange since I don't know what it is. But you can go follow him, Team Dragon Bull, I would assume on Instagram. But the one thing I love about Performantes is all the Alcantara interior, forged carbon. I don't know if you can see all the forged carbon through here or not. This car is loaded with forged carbon. Something that I swear I thought looked like just garbage on video, but when I saw it live in person, it looks so fantastic. It doesn't look dirty like it looks on video. It looks just beautiful. And then our friend's SVJ, we were sitting with him at the fashion show. Technically we're sitting behind him and one of his friends. I forget his name, I don't know him real well, but I absolutely love his red SVJ. He had one of the Dallas Cowboys sign it. And as usual, my good friend Anthony, One Bad Lambo, go follow him on Instagram. This is his 2004 Lamborghini Gallardo. My 2014 Lamborghini Gallardo. My license plate, front seat driver. It's all good, nobody cares. And here is, I believe this is, I was thinking this was a Superleggera. I could be wrong. Oh, it is a Superleggera. Okay, see, I was right, told you. Anyway, this is a first gen Superleggera Gallardo and a beautiful white LP 700-4 Lamborghini Aventador. We had a lot of cars. Marco's Lamborghini. I love the wrap. You've seen this one before in the last video. Go check out Park Up Front. Download the app. That way you can find out where great car shows and different events are coming up. Here's the Porsches. You know, a lot of people have left. This car show was full earlier. There were hundreds and hundreds of cars, but you know, a lot of people have left. It's gotten late in the day. It's been a long, hot day. The air conditioning has not been fantastic here. So, you know, I don't blame everybody for leaving, but I wanted to try to do a little bit of filming. So, I can't tell you what year this Porsche is, but I will say I really do like it. I am not a Porsche connoisseur. I don't have a lot of knowledge about Porsche, but I do think this one's really cool.
Okay, this is another
Old 928.
car. We're so fortunate to have these kind of things.
Loved the Porsche 928 when I was growing up. Alright guys, that's going to do it for today's video. Hey, I hope everybody enjoyed it. Honestly, I didn't spend a lot of time, you know, filming cars, because a lot of times when I do these, I like to just go hang out with everybody that's here. You know, get to know the different people, because friendships are more important to me really than the cars, and getting to meet a lot of the people, you know, like that's the most important part. But again, I hope everybody enjoyed this video, and hope you have a great day, have a great week. Thank you so much for watching. So I have an Aventador in front of me as we're leaving, and I have an Aventador behind me, and even a Performante up front. They're revving. I'm not gonna rev because I don't want to embarrass myself. Woo! Look at that car shake! Oh my gosh, that is ridiculously, insanely loud. So we're at the Four Seasons here in Las Colinas. This is another awesome looking place. I thought the day was over, but I guess it's not. But check this place out. Super nice.